Hi, it's Jennifer Hollick, the Global Coordinator of the World War II Research and Writing Center. I am sitting in Borchardt, Luxembourg, near the Sauer River at a hotel that's absolutely amazing, and up on the ridge is the Borchardt Castle, which looks very cool in the daytime and even cooler in the nighttime. And I wanted to invite you to learn more about a journey that Lisa Alzo and I have put together for 2019. We will be doing a 2019 European Rivers and Castle Cruise that will last 10 days in October. And in April of 2019, we will also be hosting a virtual conference. And that conference will be open to anybody, whether you choose to cruise or not. We'll be talking a lot about genealogy research, stories, writing your stories, military research, and looking at your own story and how all of your family history has basically impacted who you are. Then the people who choose to cruise with us will have some other added benefits, and they will also have a couple of workshops while we're on the cruise, and then some follow-up afterward. If you are interested in learning a little bit more today about this, you can go to findingtheanswersjourney.com to see the information we already have on our website. We are already booking cabins for the river cruise, so if you're interested, you can do that. We will be posting in July the details about the virtual conference, exactly what's happening, what the fees will be, benefits for cruisers, things like that. And then there will be some other details coming out specifically for the people who choose to cruise with us over the next year or so. So if you're interested, please check out our website, and I will also post the link to our Facebook group, Finding the Answers Journey. For those who are interested in learning more, you can join that group, and we'll also be posting there. So I hope you will consider joining us, because it will be an experience that will change your life. So consider coming along on our Finding the Answers journey.